Hello everyone and welcome back to your channel, and if you are new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today we are going to talk about cross-platform app development. We are going to cover everything related to it, what it basically means, why it's a great choice, and how in our company we are going to use Flutter to make great applications for you. So let's get started. So the first question is, what is cross-platform app development? So cross-platform application is basically a way in which you can create application for both the platforms, that is iOS and platform, in a single way. So here you are going to create one single code base for building platforms for both the platforms, that is iOS and Android. So here you are going to create application from a single code base, which means you are going to save your time as well as money. And here, which also means that more time to get involved and focus on developing your application and making it best, and less time to focus on the codes. And this is not the only benefit. Here are the key benefits which you are going to get if you choose cross-platform development. First is cost effective. So here you don't need to spend two different teams, means you don't need to spend on two different teams for creating codes and for creating applications for both the different platforms, that is iOS and Android. Instead, you are going to need only a one single team and you are going to pay to only a single team, because here you are going to use a single code base for creating application for both the platforms, which means you are saving your time plus your money, and you are going to focus main on your application and how it works great on both the platforms. Third is faster launch. So when we have a single code base, we don't need to launch your application, more time to launch your application. So here your application is going to be launched on both the platforms, that is iOS and Android, at the same time, because here we don't need more time to develop the whole application because we are using a single code base, which means your application is going to get ready and go to your people, your customers and all the users on both the platforms very sooner, and you are going to generate a huge amount of revenue in a very less amount of time. Next is consistent designs. So here cross-platform tools, especially like Flutter, use all the consistency in the applications, which means your users are going to get the same and consistent look across all the devices. So this is going to build your brand loyalty and people are going to trust your application. So here what happens, your users are going to get the same and consistent and similar seamless experience on all the devices they are going to use your applications, which means you are getting the trust and all the assurity of your customers for your application. And lastly, easier update. One of the greatest advantage is that how easy it is to maintain and update your application. Here, changes and improvement needs to be done only on a single code base, which means any changes there are, maybe fixing the bugs, adding new features, the updates, improving your application, anything is much faster and easier, allowing your application to be on time and competitive. So these benefits basically mean that you are going to reach more people, save time and your money, you are going to get high quality application all at the same time. At our company, we use Flutter, a tool from Google which is very great and even better when it comes to cross-platform development. Why? Because it is very reliable and here you are going to get great designs and amazing application in a very less amount of time. Flutter lets us use one single code base for everything, but with high quality application and great design options which will make your users come back on your application. So there you have it, all the information you need to know about the cross-platform app development. And if you want to know more everything related to development costs and how you can start one, then you can directly contact us. Our contact number is given in the description box. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information you can also visit our website, which is also linked in the description. Thank you and we'll meet in the next video.